Welcome to Emirates Driving Institute, driving excellence since 1991. John is going to take his UAE driving license. Let's see how the process is. You can register for our courses in our branches and main centers, or simply register yourself on www.edi.ae. Your registration is completed. Let's begin an exciting driving journey together. Let's begin with the basics of driving through interactive lectures. You must attend all theory lectures before you start your driving lessons. You can attend online lectures at your convenience via online student portal, or attend classroom lectures in English, Arabic, and Urdu, as per the lecture schedule. Don't worry if you don't have internet access. You can complete the online lectures at EDI centers too. Do you feel you need some more practice? Don't worry. Remember to carefully read the RTA ebook, attend the EDI mock test, or simply download the RTA app to practice the theory tests. Now that you have successfully completed all your lectures, let's book the RTA theory test. You can attend the test in English, Arabic, or Urdu. Please book your RTA theory test at the EDI test centers or call on 04-263-1100. Do you wish to attend the theory test in your language using RIS Remote Interpretation Service? You can choose from 200 or more languages to attend the theory test. Ask for RIS booking and fee details from our test booking desk. In case if you failed, don't worry. We have a solution for you. EDI provides theory test preparation lectures free of cost in English, Urdu, Arabic, Pashto, and Malayalam. Congratulations on passing your theory test. Let's move to the next stage. If you are a beginner student, you can attend an exciting simulator training and have a real-time experience in a car. Call us, book, and attend the simulator training. We have reached the most awaited stage in your training. Yes, your practical training. Are you ready? Let's go! On first day of training, please collect your training sheet from the scheduling staff. Refer to the SMS stating the class timing, instructor name, and training card number. Enjoy your first driving lesson. Important notes. If you are unable to continue the training due to any reason, please call us or inform the scheduling department staff 24 hours prior. And for tests, 48 hours prior to the actual timings. You can resume your training at any time as per our availability. Please inform the scheduling staff about your preferred training time and language. If you are absent or late for the scheduled training, you will be charged for that day and will have to pay and reappear for the absent training. Always carry your training document, learning permit, MTT card, Emirates ID for lectures, training, and all different tests. Please dress appropriate for training and test. Wear suitable shoes required for training. Fantastic! You are now ready for the next training stage. Are you excited to drive at night? This training is optional for the female students. Time for your road assessment test. You will appear for the road assessment test by the EDI assessors. Please ensure to complete any pending dues before this test. In case you do not pass the test, please pay and spend extra hours of training, as recommended, and book your reassessment test. Please arrive 30 minutes before your test time. Wow! You've successfully completed the stages of your driving learning so far. You are doing great! You can now book and attend solo driving training lessons where you can learn to drive alone in a fully monitored and controlled training yard. EDI is the only driving institute in the UAE to offer solo training yard. Time to test your parking skills with the EDI assessor in the Smart Yard. In case you fail any of the parking maneuvers, please book and attend for the failed parking maneuver. Slope test, emergency brake test, angle parking test, garage parking test, parallel parking test. Once you have passed the assessment yard test, you are now ready to appear for the RTA parking test in the Smart Yard. Congratulations on passing your test! Keep up the great performance! Now you will learn to drive independently and follow the route maps. The instructor will share few route maps with you and train how to drive independently without any instructions. It's time to get training on the highway. Learn how to control your car at the speed of 120 kilometers. You You have now reached at the final stage of your journey, RTA Road Test. Do not be tense before your test. Stay calm and stress-free. Just visualize yourself passing the test. Amazing feeling, right? We know you are ready. Pay and book your road test by calling the RTA call center 800-9090 or use the RTA smart screens at the EDI test departments. We know you can do it. On test day, arrive 30 minutes before test time at your test center. In case you fail the road test, don't despair. Attend the 4 hours of mandatory training and book another road test. Congratulations on passing your road test. You now hold a valid UAE driver's license. Well done! Collect your clearance certificate and UAE driving license. We wish you happy and safe driving.